Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a coupon on Aliexpress. Now any coupons you might have you can find in your account, so you go to the top right there and click account. You can see over here it says my coupons and in brackets it says 1. If we click that we can see our coupon here. Now I'm going to try and use this coupon now on this. This door bag is $11.10 and we're going to use our coupon to get $3 off it. So I'm going to go ahead and click buy now. I'm going to add my shipping information and my payment method, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we've entered our details, our address and our payment method, and as you can see over on the right here in our order summary box, the $3 coupon has already been applied, so we're getting this bag for $8.10. I'll just check that what we're ordering is what we want. I want the blue, I only want one. We can leave a message if we want, but we're not going to do. We can change the shipping if we want, but we're not going to do that either. And then we place order. The payment was successful, the order's been made. We can click here to check our order, and we can keep our eye on it. And that's it, simple as that.